Today, I found an AI video generator that honestly shocked me. It's completely uncensored, totally free to start, and it can turn simple text or images into full animated videos. We'll test multiple models, compare results, and I'll show you how fast it actually is. Just click the link in the description and you'll land on the NSF WAN AI website. This is an AI video generator built specifically for unrestricted content. To begin, click Sign Up. You can sign up using your email or instantly continue with Google. And just like that, you're inside the dashboard. From here, click Try It Now to start creating your first video. Let's start with image to video using the WAN 2.2 model. This one gives smooth motion and fast generation. I'm using a clean aesthetic fashion portrait. You can use any high-quality image. Now enter a prompt like this. Animate subtle breathing, soft robe movement, smooth lighting transitions, gentle camera glide, detailed face. This adds very soft movements, nothing extreme, but it makes the image come alive. I'm choosing a duration of 5 seconds. Now just hit the Generate button. The generation begins, and it usually takes only a few seconds. And here's our result. Clean, cinematic, and surprisingly smooth. Click Download to save it. Next, the WAN 2.5 model is more refined, perfect for natural movements. I'm uploading another image and entering this prompt. And again, fast generation, clean output, and beautiful motion. Select text to video from here. Now enter a prompt like this. Hit the Generate button, wait a moment, and here's the result. Pretty cool, right? Now let's switch to the WAN 2.1 model. Select text to video and enter a prompt like this. And again, clean visuals, smooth motion, and totally safe for YouTube. You can find all the prompts in the description. Overall, the platform is easy to use and the generation speed is surprisingly fast. Even with simple prompts, the outputs look polished and consistent. The link is in the description below. Use that link to access all their models instantly. And for AI coloring pages, watch the video on the left. For humanizing your AI text, check out the video on the right. And I'll see you in the next one.